Well, we had a good day at the show yesterday. Spent the night in the city, and this morning, we're going to Cars and Coffee. So I'll maybe film a bit of that, and then we'll take off for home. Well, that's about it for Cars and Coffee. Did my rounds, went through the store. Actually, a lot of really nice cars there. So yeah, 2 car shows, 1 weekend. Cars and Coffee was quite a bit bigger turnout than I thought it was going to be. Honestly, I think there's probably twice as many cars here as there was at the car show, but that's all right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, but appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. I'm Ryan, 780 Speed and Custom, tuning out.